Hey guys, we're on the Lower East Side. We're gonna go get some coffee and something to eat.
Little Canal is a small cafe located on the corner of Canal Street across from Seward Park. It's been open since 2016 and it's a great spot to grab some coffee or a simple breakfast or lunch, including lots of vegetarian options. There's a turntable behind the coffee bar and music from the 60s, 70s, and 80s is always playing. Hey guys, we just got a coffee from Little Canal, and to get to this area, the Lower East Side, it's really easy. You just get on the F train, you get off at the East Broadway station. Many traditional mom-and-pop neighborhood businesses, including ones that have prevailed for a century or more, are rapidly disappearing in the face of economic pressures, cookie-cutter franchises, and rapidly changing demographics. This process is happening with extraordinary speed in the Lower East Side, and the once unique appearance and character of the neighborhood's colorful streets are suffering, as is the community that the businesses once brought together. The neighborhood store has always been a foothold for new immigrants and a comfortable place where familiar languages are spoken, where ethnic foods and culture are present. Many shops are lifelines for the communities, vital to the residents who depend on them for a multitude of needs. When these small independent businesses close, the whole look and feel of the neighborhood changes, often losing its individuality and charm. These neighborhood storefronts have the city's history etched in their facades. For Seward Park, we installed an 8-foot high by 12-foot width rectangular wood frame sculpture consisting of 4 near life-size photographs of mom-and-pop neighborhood stores of the Lower East Side, most of which are no longer in business and have sadly disappeared from the streetscape. They include a bodega, a coffee shop, luncheonette, a delicatessen, and a newsstand. Each of the shops represent businesses that were common on the Lower East Side and help bring the community together through people's daily interactions. When viewing the near life-size photographs, one can really get a visceral sense of the impact of the losses on our experience of the city and on those who once depended on the shops that are now gone. The installation is really a plea for recognition of the unique and irreplaceable contribution made to New York by small, often family-owned businesses. These neighborhood storefronts help set the pulse, life, and texture of their communities. The installation itself, Mom and Pops of the L.E.S, was made possible through Arts in the Parks, the Uniqlo Park Expressions Grant, a public art installation grant that we received in 2018. We're currently looking for a new home for the installation since we have to take it down from inside Seward Park in another month at the end of June 2019. High-Tech Electronics Service Center on Canal Street has been in business since 1983. They not only act as an electronic repair service that services everything from an old boombox to a smashed laptop screen or professional audio equipment, but they also sell a wide variety of analog devices, including 8-track players, vintage radios, 120, 35mm, and other film cameras, like that's what we love especially, and a wide array of turntables and other vintage equipment. It's a really cool place to check out. This is the location of Cup and Saucer where it used to be before they were forced out because of that big rent increase where they more than doubled their rent.
Bring back Cup and Saucer.
Cup and Saucer opened in 1940 as a Jewish luncheonette, and it was complete with a long lunch counter, stools, as well as a small seating area. Inlaid on the terrazzo floor near the entry was a gold cup and saucer. It was co-owned by John Vasipoulos and his brother and Nick Costanos since 1988. But, like I said before, they were forced to close in 2017 after their rent was increased from $8,200 a month to $15,800 a month. Plus, they were responsible for an increase of $2,000 a month in real estate taxes. So, they were pretty much forced to close their business. We were so saddened by Cup and Saucer's closure that we included our photo of it in our installation inside Seward Park. Luckily, John and his brother Teddy were able to open earlier this year a new neighborhood spot called Two Bridges Diner. Right next door to where Cup and Saucer used to be. Oh, there's Teddy now. Hey, Teddy, we're gonna come in and we're gonna grab something to eat. Yeah, definitely.
I think he's smelling good.
Yeah, oh yeah, he smelled the food all right. They serve the same classic breakfast, lunch, and dinner items as Cup and Saucer did, but also added Greek specialties including moussaka and souvlaki platters. We had today a delicious cheeseburger deluxe, which was only $9.75, and a grilled cheese sandwich, which was only $4.75. For under $20, including drink and tip, we had a great meal. I mean, where else can you get something like this for under $20? We hope you enjoyed our latest video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and hit the subscribe button to follow our travels throughout the many neighborhoods of New York City. We'll definitely be highlighting more great businesses soon.